Alright, so today we're going to be installing the Street Fighter multiple ignition kit. Looks like that, basically. So usually comes with instructions, for it'll fit like a whole bunch of different options like GMC and different types of distributors you have, like points and harness and HEI. But for my example and for this video, we're going to be installing it with the petronix kit that's I already installed before, and that's pretty easy to install. It's something simple, and what a lot of people do is switch out their points for the petronix kit instead of getting like a new distributor. It's really good. I personally have it on this card. It's really good. So yeah, so it's pretty easy and simple to do. If this camera would just focus on the stuff we're looking at. There we go. So you guys can see that's the wiring diagram. It's pretty easy and simple. So we can see that these are just directly going to go to the battery, heavy black, heavy red, and then these are just going to go to the coil. That's pretty self-explanatory. Now the other stuff is going to be kind of more difficult. So to the tack, that's if you have a tack, which this card does not have a tack. You can see does not have a tack. So we can just eliminate that, or if you do have an aftermarket tack, you could use that, which is it's just basically a ground to the tack. We don't use that one, you can see. And then all we need is the black cable to go with the white lead and the red cable to go with the red lead, and that's pretty much it, except for we need to make like a T to the ignition and to the petronix kit, which should be pretty easy because you would just take off the cable that used to go onto the positive end of the distributor and give it to that one, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Actually, it's really simple and easy to do. Now we're actually gonna go look at it. All right, so first of all, we're gonna do is do the easiest stuff, which is, well, actually we're gonna look at this real quick. So we got the heavy red and the heavy black. Oh, which is inside because that one came out short for some reason. But this one right here, let me zoom out. This one right here is gonna go directly to that battery all over there. So we're gonna route it that way. That's pretty easy and simple to do, right? Next would be orange and black. These cables would just go right here. So just put it like that. Pretty easy and simple, right? So those two would just go onto the distributor. And then what else do we have left? We have white, pink, and gray. So we said gray would go to the tack, so we could just eliminate that. But if you do have a tack, you would just connect it. Usually it's a green one. And then the white and red. White and red would go to the petronix one, which is right here. Here we go. So you can see the petronix comes out with two cables that go to there. We would just cut that off and connect those. So pretty easy, simple wiring. Nothing really to it. That's pretty much it. I'll show you guys how it is once it is installed.